Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable double tap to wake up phone screen setting. So let's start the video. At first, go in Play Store app. Then click Search. Then search here. Double tap to screen on and off. Click double tap screen on off app. Then install it. After installing, just open the app. Then select double tap to screen on option. Click Enable Now option and give the permission. Then click the app. Enable the option. Then back. First step is completed. Second and third step are similar of first step, so watch carefully. Now click double tap to screen on option, and you're done. Hope you guys are like the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to do subscribe, like, comment.